Hi, my name is Tony, sales manager here at Clinical Supply Company, where we've been providing quality dental supplies since 1988. Today we're discussing our Optum disinfectant wipes. And joining me is Tom, one of our sales reps here at Clinical Supply. Tom, how are we doing today?
Good, Tony. Nice to be here.
Good. Tom, we both know that dental offices need to disinfect their offices, not only for their staff, but for patients. And one way they do that is by using the Optum disinfectant wipes. Talk to me a little bit about the packaging when it comes between the large and extra large sizes.
The good thing with both these are 12 tubs per case on either large or extra large.
Great. Talk to me a little bit about how many come in each tub.
Well, on the large of both of them, there are 160 wipes per tub. The extra large, there's 65.
Okay. Now, when we talk about wipes, we got to talk about the kill times.
Yep.
What are the kill times and the differences between the Optum 1 and the Optum 33 TB?
Okay, so now the Optum 1 will kill everything, including TB, in 1 minute. Optum TB 33 will kill most everything other than TB in 1 minute, but the TB will be 5 minutes.
Great. Awesome. Now, if you guys have any questions or if you want to order some of the product, feel free to give us a call at 800-468-0188 or visit our website at www.clinicalsupplycompany.com. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day.